Hey, this is Sam with CJL Enterprise, CJLENTERPRIZE.com, and Sam's Garage Sale. And this is Sunday around 3:20, 3:30, something like that. And the show is over at 4 o'clock. And this is, I'm going to drive around a little bit, give you an idea of the parking lot here, the parking for the show. And for most part, this show's about, it's done for the day, but the parking lot is completely packed. And we're not talking about a small lot. We're talking about a small building with thousands of people on it. And this is the first chance I've had to get out. There's the entrance. Like I said, it's Sunday, the show's about done. And you have hundreds and hundreds of people still in this show. And it's been like this parking lot earlier, from what I understand, over there where it's vacant, it was completely full. And I'm just going to give you an idea of the response to a gun ban. That's my seatbelt. Another one of those regulations the government came up with that make sure that your seatbelt has a little ding on it if it's not buckled in, to remind you to buckle your seatbelt. One of those government regulations we have been forced to live with. And here we go. So anyway, as we're going, you're gonna see, of course, people are leaving. And this event was pretty big. It was a nice size. 2 days of record number crowds. And again, this is Tulsa, Oklahoma. And this isn't the biggest venue. That venue right there, that building right there is where the Wanamaker show is, which is coming up, I think in March or April. And they have thousands of tables there. And the response to that show is normally what you see here. Just to give you an idea of the mass response people have had to a possible gun show ban or assault weapon ban. But yeah, that's the where the Wanamaker show is, in which is the Super Bowl of gun shows. And it's just, I mean, this lot is just packed. RVs. People drove in from all over the country for the show. Again, this is Sunday, so there's not a whole lot of people left. It's getting close to closing time. This is Tulsa, Oklahoma, and this is not the biggest show of the year. This is just a small show that had a huge response. You know, I'm gonna wrap around over here, and I want you to see firsthand. You hear a lot of things in the news about people not supporting gun shows and different things, and I want you to see firsthand what the response is on the ground. Again, people coming in with RVs from all over the nation to the show. And this is a small show. I keep saying it, it's a small show. I've done this show a million times. Normally, you would see maybe a fourth of the cars, a fourth of what you see. Very good. Now we'll be at another show next week. I'll be back in town probably Tuesday. We'll start shipping our online orders that came in Tuesday as soon as I get back. Probably some will start going on Monday, later part of Monday. Monday, Tuesday. We have a lot of you guys who are responding via our website. We have a lot of orders to ship. That stuff will, like I said, about Tuesday this week. But with what I heard in the media, and how the media is portrayed, people who buy guns and people who go to gun shows, they make it sound like they're a bunch of radical right-wing maniacs, and we're not. We're just average, everyday people, and that's what you see here. You see moms and dads, kids. So, mainstream media here. This is a message for you. This is what you get to see. I'm just an average guy with a camera. I'm not a journalist. To me, I always thought the journalists were supposed to report facts, not slanted with their opinions. So, there you have it. Well, guys, this is Sam with CJL Enterprise, ENTERPRIZE.com, and Sam's Garage Sale. There I am. Hi. Anyway, I wanted to, again, give you a first-hand, first-person look at a gun show and what goes on and what they do. And I don't sell guns. And there's a lot of people who don't sell guns at shows. They sell accessories. They sell other items, just things, you know. And there is this opinion that you hear from the talking heads, politicians, and people in the media talking about the gun show loophole, and oh man, look at all these guns, these people are bad. Well, you know what, they're full of shit. Okay, what you've seen here, and you're going to see more first-hand accounts of what really goes on here. And again, this is just an event that these people get out to. They happen to be hobbyists. They like firearms, and you know, you see, make a judge for yourself. Anyway, this is Sam with CJL Enterprise, CJL ENTERPRIZE.com, and Sam's Garage Sale. Have a blessed day. We'll talk to you later.